Personal training, 10 profitable strategies to grow your fitness hobby into a successful business. Personal training isn't just about helping people get in shape, it's about transforming lives and promoting overall well-being. Whether you're a certified trainer or aspiring to become one, these strategies can help you build a successful career in the fitness industry. 1. One-on-one personal training. Offer individualized training sessions tailored to your client's fitness goals and needs. One-on-one training provides personalized attention, ensuring your clients achieve their desired results while building a strong trainer-client relationship. 2. Group fitness classes. Organize group fitness classes in local parks, gyms, or community centers. Group classes create a supportive and motivational atmosphere, attracting multiple clients at once. Consider themes like HIIT, yoga, or boot camps to cater to diverse fitness preferences. 3. Online personal training. Offer virtual personal training sessions and fitness programs. With the rise of online platforms, you can reach clients globally, provide customized workout plans, conduct live training sessions, and offer nutritional guidance through video calls and online resources. 4. Fitness workshops and seminars. Host workshops and seminars on fitness-related topics such as nutrition, workout techniques, or healthy lifestyle habits. Workshops can be conducted in person or online, showcasing your expertise and attracting clients interested in learning from a professional. 5. Fitness retreats and vacations. Organize fitness retreats or vacations in scenic locations. Offer a combination of fitness classes, outdoor activities, and wellness experiences. Fitness retreats provide clients with a rejuvenating experience while allowing you to expand your client base. 6. Specialized training programs. Develop specialized training programs for specific demographics, such as seniors, athletes, or individuals with medical conditions. Specialized programs demonstrate your expertise and attract clients seeking targeted fitness solutions. 7. Corporate wellness programs. Partner with businesses to provide corporate wellness programs. Offer on-site fitness classes, health assessments, and wellness workshops to employees. Corporate wellness programs promote a healthy workforce and can lead to long-term partnerships. 8. Fitness products and merchandise. Create and sell fitness-related products, such as workout guides, fitness equipment, or branded merchandise. Online platforms make it easy to sell digital products, allowing you to reach a wide audience and generate passive income. 9. Fitness blogging and social media. Start a fitness blog or YouTube channel to share workout routines, nutrition tips, and motivational content. Build a strong online presence through social media platforms. As your audience grows, you can monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. 10. Fitness app development. Create a fitness app featuring workout programs, progress tracking, and nutritional guidance. Fitness apps provide a convenient way for clients to access your expertise. Offering subscription-based services within the app can generate recurring revenue. Remember, personal training is not just a career. It's a mission to empower others and help them achieve their fitness goals. Organizing services. 10 profitable methods to grow your gift for neatness into an effective business. Organizing isn't just about decluttering. It's about transforming chaotic spaces into functional, serene environments. Whether you're a neat freak or just have a passion for tidying up, these strategies can help you monetize your skills and create a successful organizing business. 1. Home decluttering and organization. Offer professional decluttering and organization services to homeowners. Help clients sort through their belongings, streamline their spaces, and create efficient storage solutions. A well-organized home not only brings peace but also adds value to the property. 2. Closet and wardrobe organization. Specialize in closet and wardrobe organization. Assist clients in maximizing their closet space, arranging clothes by seasons, and creating functional layouts. A well-organized wardrobe saves time and reduces stress when getting ready. 3. Office and workspace organization. Provide organization services for offices and workspaces. Help businesses and professionals declutter desks, optimize storage, and create efficient filing systems. Organized workspaces enhance productivity and foster a positive work environment. 4. Digital organization and time management. Offer digital organizing services, helping clients manage emails, files, and schedules, teach effective time management techniques, and introduce digital tools to streamline tasks. Digital organization is increasingly crucial in our technology-driven world. 5. Kitchen and pantry organization. Specialize in organizing kitchens and pantries. Maximize storage, label containers, and create efficient layouts. A well-organized kitchen simplifies meal preparation and grocery shopping, saving time and reducing food waste. 6. Home moving and relocation services. Assist individuals and families during the moving process. Offer packing and unpacking services, ensuring a smooth transition to the new home. Moving can be stressful, and your expertise can make the experience hassle-free. 7. Hoarding cleanup and support. Provide compassionate hoarding cleanup services and emotional support. Hoarding disorder affects many individuals, and your expertise can help them reclaim their living spaces. Work with therapists and social workers to provide holistic support. 8. Specialty organizing for seniors. Offer specialized organizing services for seniors. Help them downsize, organize belongings, and create safe, clutter-free environments. Seniors often need assistance in transitioning to smaller spaces, and your expertise can ease the process. 9. Event and party organization. Provide event organizing services for parties, weddings, and corporate events. Assist clients in planning, arranging decorations, and coordinating logistics. Well-organized events leave a lasting impression and lead to satisfied clients and referrals. 10. Organizing workshops and online courses. Share your organizing expertise through workshops and online courses. Teach organizing techniques, decluttering methods, and efficient storage solutions. Offering workshops in person and online courses can create a passive income stream. Recall, organizing isn't just about tidying up, it's about transforming lives and spaces. Music lessons. 10 profitable strategies to develop your musical skills into a profitable business. Teaching music isn't just about sharing your skills, it's about inspiring others and nurturing their passion for melodies and harmonies. Whether you're a virtuoso or just starting out, these strategies can help you create a successful career in music education. 1. Private instrument lessons. Offer one-on-one music lessons for instruments like piano, guitar, violin, or drums. Personalized attention allows students to progress at their own pace, making private lessons highly sought after. 2. Group music classes. Organize group music classes for beginners or intermediate learners. Group lessons foster a sense of community and provide an interactive learning experience. You can teach various instruments or focus on a specific one, depending on your expertise. 3. Online music lessons. Embrace the digital age by offering online music lessons. Thanks to video platforms, you can teach students worldwide. Online lessons provide flexibility and convenience, attracting busy professionals and international learners. 4. Music theory workshops. Conduct workshops on music theory and composition. Understanding the fundamentals of music theory is essential for aspiring musicians. Offer workshops in person or online, guiding students through the intricacies of melody, harmony, and rhythm. Our vocal coaching. Share your expertise as a vocal coach. Provide singing lessons focusing on techniques, breathing exercises, and performance skills. Vocal coaching is in demand not only among aspiring singers, but also public speakers and actors. 6. Specialized genre lessons. Specialize in teaching specific music genres such as jazz, classical rock, or blues. Becoming an expert in a particular genre can attract students passionate about that style, allowing you to create a niche market. 7. Music production and recording classes. Teach music production and recording techniques. With the rise of home studios, many aspiring musicians want to learn about music production software, recording equipment, and sound engineering. Offer classes to budding producers and artists. 8. Songwriting workshops. Guide aspiring songwriters in honing their craft. Offer workshops on lyric writing, melody composition, and song structure. Songwriting workshops are not only for musicians but also for poets and creative individuals seeking to express themselves through music. 9. Music exam preparation. Assist students in preparing for music exams, competitions, or auditions. Many musicians aim to achieve certifications or participate in competitions. Provide tailored coaching to help them excel in their musical pursuits. 10. Music retreats and intensive workshops. Organize music retreats or intensive workshops in serene locations. These immersive experiences provide students with focused learning, practice sessions, and collaborations with other musicians. Music retreats offer a unique and enriching learning environment. Teaching music is not just a profession, it's a way to nurture talent, creativity, and passion in others.